Hi everyone, my name is Carolina. Welcome to La Spatula, and today we're gonna learn how to make marquesitas, which is a very traditional dessert from Yucatan, Mexico. One of the main ingredients we're gonna need is a Dutch cheese, and we're gonna make sure to peel off all the red wax coating. Once the cheese is completely clean, we're gonna grate it very finely. Now we're gonna sift the flour. Now we're ready to start. Here I have my sifted flour, sugar, room temperature butter, 1 room temperature egg, I have milk, and also we're gonna add salt and vanilla extract. Let's start with butter that should be at room temperature. Mine is a little melted but not completely because I'm doing this recipe by hand. But if you're using a mixer, you don't need to melt it at all. Just use room temperature butter. Add the sugar and mix with a whisk. You'll find a lot of marquesitas recipes that use oil instead of butter, but let me tell you that butter gives it so much better flavor. Add the room temperature egg and mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Now is the turn for flour and milk. We're gonna add the flour in 3 parts. So add 1/3 of the flour, mix a little, and add half of the milk. We're gonna do it like this so we avoid as many lumps as possible. Add another third of the flour, mix a little bit, add the rest of the milk, and mix well. Add the rest of the flour and mix well until all the flour is completely incorporated. Last, add a pinch of salt and the vanilla extract. At the end, we're gonna get a thick batter. Once the batter is done, let's get the fillings ready. So here I have my Dutch cheese, which is shredded. I also have fruit, and in this case I'm gonna use strawberries and peaches. I'm gonna use Dulce de Leche as well. Another important ingredient is Nutella. And last, I have sweet and condensed milk. So very important, we're gonna need a wafer maker. So down below in the description box, I'm gonna leave the links where you can find this one, which is the manual, and also I'm gonna leave the link for the automatic one. Put some of the batter in your wafer maker, and once it reaches the desired color, you are ready for the fillings. Here I'm gonna spread some Nutella. I'm also gonna add some shredded cheese and some strawberries. Then roll it out, and you can use a spatula or a spoon to make this process a little easier. Remove from the heat, and I'm gonna decorate them by spreading a little bit more of Nutella on the edge, then added more cheese inside and on the edge, and I'm gonna finish with some strawberries. Let's move to our second marquesita and repeat the same cooking process. This time I'm gonna use Dulce de Leche, cheese, and I'm gonna finish with some peaches. Remember to use a spatula or a spoon to make the rolling process even easier. Remove from the heat, and I'm gonna decorate with a little bit more of dulce de leche and cheese. And like this, we're gonna keep moving on the marquesitas making, and you can try any combination you would like. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in another recipe. Bye!